Welcome to the Mad Max the Producer channel. Today I will show how to remove and install a door hook on a Dacia Jogger car. Open the door, and on the inside of the door you will see the plug indicated by the arrow. Remove it. There is a Torx 25 screw in the hole. Unscrew it. Pull the door hook. Pull out the attachment element. Slightly pull the hook out and push it towards the rear of the vehicle. Remove the hook. Installation. Insert the hook with the front part into the front hole. Insert the screwdriver into the hole and pull the lever outwards. This is a homemade tool, made of steel wire with a thickness of 4 mm and wire twisted at 90 degrees in a length of approximately 18 mm. Insert the curved part into the hole and block the lever. Insert the door hook into the hole and push it towards the front of the vehicle. Remove the tool. Insert the fastener. Release the door hook. Tighten the Torx screw. Test it. Insert the plug. That's it, for this money. Thanks for watching and welcome.